In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create link buttons for your Squarespace page. Link buttons are an essential tool to enhance the navigational experience on your site, guiding visitors seamlessly while also adding a sleek and functional design element. In this tutorial, we'll take a step-by-step approach to make this process as easy and intuitive as possible. Let's begin by logging into your Squarespace account. Once logged in, you'll be prompted to continue with either Google or another preferred method. For today's purpose, let's go ahead and click on Continue with Google. This will link your Google account to Squarespace, streamlining the login process for users who have already integrated these platforms. Once you're in, you'll see a list of your websites. Go ahead and click on your desired website, the one where you want to add these new link buttons. This will take you to the specific site's configuration panel. Here, we're going to enter edit mode. You'll typically find the edit option prominently displayed. Selecting it allows you to make changes to the layout and content of your page. Next, it's time to add a new block. This is where your link button will reside. Navigate to the section of your page where you'd like to introduce this button. Once you find the perfect spot, click on Add Block. Blocks are an easy to use feature within Squarespace that helps you organize different types of content on your web page, from text to images, and of course, buttons. With the block added, choose the button option. This will automatically create a button element within your chosen block. The button serves as a call to action, making it critical to your site's effectiveness in directing users towards key content or pages. Now let's make this button functional. Click on the link icon situated above the button. This icon serves as the bridge to connect your button with the desired URL. Once clicked, a field will appear indicating where you should paste the link. This is where you'll enter the URL you want your button to lead to. Be sure to double check the link for accuracy to ensure it directs visitors to the correct address. And that's it. With these steps completed, you've successfully created a link button on your Squarespace page. Don't forget to save your changes and preview how the button looks and functions on your site. This small addition will not only enhance user experience, but could also lead to higher engagement and greater user satisfaction. By following these instructions, you've added an element that's both stylish and practical to your Squarespace site, all in less than 5 minutes. Thanks for watching and happy designing.